Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to calculate age from date of birth Excel. To start, open the Excel file to review the data to obtain the age. After this, in the desired cell, enter the function that you see on the screen. In this, you will use the today function for the correct calculation. The value 1 at the end allows you to obtain the precise data. By pressing enter, you can see the exact age. It is now possible to drag this formula to the other cells to obtain the age. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.